Let's talk about the most annoying thing in Suno AI right now. You have a vision for a track, and you know exactly whose vibe you want. But once you type in "style of Ed Sheeran" and hit create, and you get that error message, restricted words detected. This is because Suno has hard-coded blocks on artist names to prevent direct copyright issues. It does feel like a dead end, but actually, it's just a language barrier. So today, I'm going to show you a professional workaround for that. We are going to stop relying on names and start using prompt engineering. That's right. This is the secret to getting a signature sound without ever triggering a filter. We're going to use ChatGPT to translate some of our favorite artists, The Weeknd, Bob Marley, and Lana Del Rey, into technical blueprints that Suno understands. So, enough talk. Let's get into it. Here is the point. ChatGPT doesn't have the same restrictions as Suno. It understands music history and production techniques deeply. So, our workflow is simple. We go to ChatGPT, explain exactly who we are trying to sound like, and ask it to describe that sound using only technical musical terms, no names allowed, so that Suno can understand the expectations. Now, to get those high-value results, we aren't just going to ask ChatGPT for a description. That's too vague. We are going to give ChatGPT a specific job description. So here, I'm going to type, "Act as a professional audio engineer and musicologist." Because we did this, the AI will stop giving us adjectives like cool and start giving us the sonic DNA of the artist. We are going to ask for a breakdown based on 4 technical pillars: the recording era, the instrumentation mechanics, the vocal frequency and delivery, and the specific studio effects. Prompting this way will enable us to receive a high-density technical blueprint with data the Suno will actually understand. Let's do it. First, let's capture the sound of The Weeknd, specifically that cinematic synth-pop from the After Hours era. Since his name is blocked, we go to ChatGPT and use this exact framework through mentioning Blinding Lights as a reference song. Here is the professional blueprint it gave me. Notice how it has specified the recording era, instrumentation mechanics, the vocal frequency and effects in this detailed prompt. It's quite detailed, so I'm going to recreate it by asking for a maximum of 1,000 characters, which is the maximum limit in the Suno AI Custom Mode style box. Now I'm going to head over to Suno AI Custom Mode and paste this prompt into the style box. Here I'm going to paste some lyrics that I got from ChatGPT for a similar vibe. In the sliders, I'm going with low weirdness and high style influence, as obviously we need Suno to stick with the style prompt here. All looks good. So let's hit create and see what Suno comes up with.
City glow on the windshield bright, cold air rushing through the night, street lights melting into gold, your memory won't let me go, engine humming a restless heart, we were fire before the dark, now I chase what I can't outrun, your shadow moving with the sun, I can feel it in my blood.
Oh, that is surprisingly good. Of course, it's not the exact same artist, no, but it sounds pretty close to me. The snare has that massive 80s punch, and the voice has that distinct airy quality. So just like that, we bypassed the name, but we captured the technical DNA. Next, let's try it out on Bob Marley. To get that authentic 1970s Island Records feel, we need to describe the physics of the rhythm and the voice to Suno AI. We are going to use the track Black Man Redemption as our reference song. Just like before, I'll go back to ChatGPT and ask for the technical breakdown. And here is the blueprint it generated. This is perfect. It gives us all those crucial mechanical keywords. I'll copy this, head back over to Suno, and paste it into the style box. I've got some conscious reggae-style lyrics ready, so I'll paste those in as well. Let's keep the sliders exactly where they were. Low weirdness, high style influence, and hit create.
They tried to chain the fire in my soul, try to break the seed before it grows, but the river knows where it must run, and the night must fade before the sun. I walk through dust, I walk through pain, felt heavy clouds, I felt hard rain, but Jah put strength inside my hand, so I could rise and take my stand. No more fear, no more shame, I will never bow again. From the dark I know my name, now the light is calling. Rise from the ashes, children.
Man, listen to that. We have got that incredibly thick, melodic bass line driving the whole song. The voice is still far from the legend, but I'm happy with it. We completely bypassed the copyright filter, but we perfectly captured the heavy, dub-influenced soul of a 1970s analog recording session. Finally, let's do one more, Lana Del Rey. Her sound is notoriously hard to nail down because it's all about space, nostalgia, and cinematic atmosphere. If you just type sad pop, you're going to get something incredibly generic. Our reference song for this one will be her massive hit, Summertime Sadness. I'll go to ChatGPT one last time and ask our musicologist to reverse engineer it. And here is our final blueprint. Let's paste this into Suno's style box. Drop in some moody cinematic lyrics I generated earlier. This time the gender would be female, keeping the sliders exactly as they are, and let's hit create.
Cigarette glow and a tear in your eye. Sun went down, but the east stayed on like a beautiful thing already. Palm trees swaying like they know my name. You touch my skin and I burst like flame.
Wow, that is dreamy and haunting. It's got the breathy vibe of the vocals perfectly. I know it's not the exact same, but still I'm impressed with these results. So, what is the big takeaway here? The restricted word error isn't a roadblock. It's actually a massive opportunity to level up your workflow. Stop trying to use shortcuts. Stop being a prompter and start acting like a producer. Find a reference song you love. Use ChatGPT as your audio engineer to reverse engineer its technical DNA and plug that highly detailed blueprint right into Suno. When you learn to describe music technically, you don't just bypass the platform filters, you gain the ultimate superpower. As a bonus, you get professional, high-value results that perfectly match the lyrics and the vision you have in your head. Go use your reference song, get your blueprints ready, and take control of your sound. If this video helped you out, hit the subscribe button for more Suno content like this, and let me know in the comments which artist you're going to reverse engineer first. I'll see you in the next one.